Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 108 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with keyless entry, you get alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and a reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Bluetooth connectivity. You also get a speed limiter and air conditioning. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done 13,000 miles and is in excellent condition. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.